Hello people, my name is Tyler. I'm going to show you a demonstration to how to do a Google backup on an Android device today. The first thing we want to do is go to our settings. Don't pay attention to the style of my device because I have a different layout. So let's go to settings. Scroll a little bit too far. Oh, there's my settings. And then once you get into settings, it should look something similar to like this here. And then you want to scroll down till you get to backup and reset. And then once you get to backup and reset, you want to make sure backup my data is turned on. You want to also make sure that you select the right backup account because sometimes people have multiple backup accounts with their Google email address. So for mine, I only have one Google email, which is this. I already had it selected here. And then we have the automatic restore. You want to make sure this is on. That way when you get a new device or if you have to do a factory data reset, that it will bring your applications back to your device. Now, the only time we want you to have this turned off is if we're doing troubleshooting on your device and we're trying to see if it's a third-party app on the device that's causing that problem here. But for most part, we want to make sure that this automatic restore option is turned on. Once we're done with that, we want to go back and then go into accounts and click on Google. And then you want to make sure it says the same email address as you had previously selected. So for mine, I'm using the same tylercreator@gmail.com. You want to select all the stuff that you want backed up. So if you want your application data, like your apps and stuff like that, to be brought back to your new device or your after you've done a factory data reset, you want to make sure this option is selected. Now, if you want to make sure your calendar is backed up, your contacts are backed up, there's many options. Your Google Fit data, which is almost like a Fitbit and stuff, which your phone tracks how many steps you walk, or et cetera, et cetera. And then you also have your Google Photos backup, which the Google Photos backup is going to be a different tutorial for itself here. Just go through all the stuff and make sure that what you want selected is selected here. And then you want to also pay attention to the date and the time that's backed up. What you can do is you can click, once you get everything turned on, it should automatically start syncing. But if it does not automatically start syncing, click on that more button that I just clicked on right here. And then click sync now. And then you should start seeing circles spinning around, letting you know that it's syncing, just like that. If it goes through, it will just go away and you're good. But if something happens, like an error shows up, just turn it off, turn it back on, click on more, and click sync again. Once it's done syncing, you're all good to go. You can factory data reset your device. Once you factory data reset back in, when you get to the step, sign in with the same Google email and the password. And once you get back to the main screen, it'll bring all your content over from the old device to the new device. Now, if you're getting a new phone, the same concept. Once you get to that portion of the setup for the new device, you just sign in with your Google, and it will bring the information all over. If you have any questions, just go ahead and comment on this video or hit like and subscribe to my channel if you like what I taught you here. Thank you.